Hello everyone, I'm Lance. So you have to coding Hello World in programming feeling weak by using Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. First one will click on File, New Project. Then select Win Substitute Console Application and type the project name. Click OK. Then click Next and select Console Application. Select Pre-compiler header, select Empty Project and Finish. Then go to Source File, Add New Item. Select on C file extension.cpp. File name hello.c. Then click Add. And here is the place your code is to be run. The first code in C programming language is library compiler to include information about input and output library and function which is used in C. Open curly brace and close curly brace. Code here and system run your code. Okay, you can see text message hello world. That's all for with all how to print hello world.